Sir, my name is Justin B. Rubignol from Block 22 BHHM. Good day, sir. So today I will be answering the datasets long quiz. So number one. So sir, I already answered it, but I will explain step by step. So at, the datasets is I arrange it to lowest to highest, sir. So after that, sir, I will add all of these sets, sir. So the after I add all of these sets, sir, so ang nakuha kong number is this, sir, 768. So pagkatapos ko pong na-add po lahat ng datasets, I count all the datasets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the datasets will be 9. 9, sir, 9. So ano po siya, pagkatapos ko pong nabilang tas na add po is divide ko po siya. So 768 divided by 9 will be 85.33. So yan po ang mean. So ang median po is ang median is mahanap po sa gitna ng sets po. So ang median po natin is 88 kasi yan po nasa gitna. Sa mode po naman is yung pinakamaraming na ulit po na numbers po. So ang pinakamaraming na ulit is will be 88 po kasi tatlo po siya. 1, 2, 3. So yun po ang aking answer sa number 1, sir. So sa number 2 naman po is same din po rin. So in-arrange ko lang po from lowest to highest. Ganun po. Tapos pagkatapos ko na-arrange sa lowest to highest ay pinag-plus ko po sila lahat. So ang nakuha ko po is 1,017 po. Tapos pagkatapos is binilang ko po tag-isa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 po. So 1,017 divided by 7 will be 145.29. So yan po ang nakuha kong mean. So ang median po naman is 125, which is nasa gitna po siya. So ang mode po is wala po kasi po wala pong same na number na sa set po, sir. So punta po tayo sa number 3. So number 3 naman po is same po. Same procedure lang po. So lowest to highest. Pinag-plus ko po lahat ito. Ang resulta po is 682. Binilang ko po. 10 po. So dinivide ko po. Ang kinalabasan po is 16.2. So dahil po even po to is ang kukunin nating median is will be to i-run off na lang po. So 82 na lang. Ang mode po is wala kasi wala pong same na numbers. So po sila, very unique po silang number, wala pong magkakatulad. So punta naman po tayo sa number 4. Same procedure lang po, sir. Lowest to highest. Pinag-add ko po tuwing kalabasan yung mean niya po. Tapos binilang po and 7 po. Tapos dinivide ko po. 22.17 divided by 7 will be 3.16. Yung po ang mean niya. Ang median po is 2.51 kasi yan po yung nasa gitna. At Yung po ang nasa gitna. So, ang mode po is wala kasi very unique number po sila lahat. So, let's move on po to the number 5. So, as always po, from lowest to highest, I'm inad po lahat. Ito po this is the result, sir. 729 and count po. After a count, nilagay ko sa baba. So, 9 po. 729 divided by 9 will be 81 po. So, yun po ang mean. So, ang median po is 81 because it's the middle numbers. The one will be 80, 81, 82. Why? Because um, it's a repeating in highest number. So 80, 80, 80, 80, 81, 81, 81, 82, 82, 82. So it's a repeating number, sir. So now let's proceed to the next question. So here. First things first, we need to find the lowest and the highest score. So the lowest will be 174. The highest will be 322. So 322 minus 174 would be 148. After that, we need it 148. After that, we need to divide it by the class. So the class would be 10. So 148 divided by 10 would be 14.8. Run off it to become 15. So the question is 15 divisible by 174? No. So I'm gonna lower it to be 165 to be divisible. So let's say 175. So that's 15 will be our class width. So now let's proceed to the class limit. The class limit will be 165 to 179. So that's exactly 15. So let's proceed now. 1, 4, 5, 5, 2, 69, 0, 70, 2, 284, 285, 299, 300, 50, 13, 2, 2, 3, 29. To get the cross boundary, we just need to lowest score will be minus 0.5, highest will be plus 0.5. So 64. So we done the midpoint, the CB. So let's move on to the midpoint. To get the midpoint, you just need to add this lowest and highest score, then divide it by 2. So it will be 172, 187, 217, 262, 277, 292, 307, 332. So the tally will be, for example, the set. So here, just find where it belongs. So for example, 322, find where it belongs. So here, 315 to 315 to 329. So I'm gonna do one. So I'm gonna do the tally now. So will be so I'm gonna combine it. So 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 9 and plus 4 will be 60. So the frequency will be just copied total. So 1, 5, 4, 4, 6, 6, 9, 8, 5, 9, then 4. Now let's proceed to the CF. So to get the CF, so 1, put it here. So 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5 will be 6, 6 plus 3 will be 9, 9 plus 4 will be 13, 13 plus 6 will be 19, 19 plus 6 will be 25, 25 plus 9 will be 34, 34 plus 8 will be 42, 42 plus 5 will be 47, 47 plus 9 will be 56, 56 plus 4 will be 60. So it's same here.